So this is the this is the pin board that I was showing that I had cut earlier. Let me turn that down a little bit. Pretty mind-boggling with the media, left or right, where they were chastising these kids on the beach down the Anyway, so this is the pin board, and this is the back of the drawer, and this is the back of the back. So the dovetails will fit into these sockets. You can see how these are wedged here, or will be wedged. And these are called pins. So the dovetails go in here, and then obviously because of the shape, because of the dovetails and those wedges, those pins, the drawer back cannot possibly, fall out the back or be pushed out the back. And this these are the dovetails. So ideally, I cut these first, and then I use these to mark out where I wanted the dovetails. So ideally, that's going to fit. Looks pretty good so far. Ideally, I should be able to push this together without whacking it too hard with a hammer, or at all. And then, but it should be tight enough that I would then be able to lift this board up, and this, this would stay with it. But I can tell it's a little tighter over here than I want. A little looser over here. Anyway, I'm going to give it a couple of taps. The problem with if it's too tight and you start whacking it with a hammer, you're likely just to split the board, and then all your efforts will have been wasted. But I'm going to try to tap this into place from the other end here. That feels like it's about there. So you can see that, yeah, it needs to come together a little bit more, maybe. Yeah, it's a little bit better. So anyway, so again, this is the side, this is the back, and you can see, I think, let me find a straight edge here. I used to have one. That's basically the same line right there. Same if you turn it this way. This is the side, and these dovetails have now locked the back in place. And that's how it should fit. Now, this doesn't need any glue. It's tight enough that it doesn't need any glue, but it'll be glued together. And so again, this is the back right corner, so it'll be oriented like this. Okay, and then the drawer bottom will be right here. But that's what that should look like. That's what it should look like when it's upside down. Anyway, those are hand-cut dovetails. This could be done much faster with a machine or some kind of a jig, but there's something about cutting dovetails by hand that's it's a little at least a little bit cathartic, I suppose. Anyway, so that's one corner out of 16. So I've got a ways to go. Anyway, there it is.